How has this situation if impacted on the dental practice? Well, like any small business, it impacts it huge because when they shut down your operations, you can't operate even though we're essential, and there's guidelines saying what you can do and not do. That stops the money from coming in, and people don't realize how much money it takes to actually deliver dental care services in this day and age because it is a business and you got a lot of overhead from payroll costs, supplies are expensive, rents, everything. And so the insurance takes discounts off of what you can actually charge. So it does take a lot of money. And so when you can't provide all the services that you want, or the products, let's say, that cuts into it. When you can't uh, do that, then you have to think about, do I gotta reduce my employee hours? And so when you do that, you're not able to run as efficiently. You have to then cut back the hours of operations just to maintain afloat because you got to pay for rent, you got to pay for supplies, everything. So definitely has impacted not only the operations, the finances, but also just the overall team. Not able to work a full schedule, and that impacts their families. That impacts their mental health, their physical health, their well-being. So this situation has grave effects, much more than just the virus itself. I'm really worried about just the mental health of not only my team, but those in the community and also in the world after this all gets past us.